Global stocks have tumbled for the third straight day, and fears of a recession continue to grow. The governor of the Bank of Canada, Stephen Pallaz, today called this trade war by Trump the greatest intentional destruction of wealth ever. It's bad news for everyone, but especially those looking to retire soon as they see their savings dwindle. Here's Jacqueline Wilson.
Ian Harrison and his wife are retiring, but the market volatility from U.S. tariffs is causing major concern for their investments.
We're at the point now, my wife is 70, going to be 71 in November. She's got 8 months to make up the losses that have been incurred by the Trump administration. She's not going to do that.
In Canada, the TSX closed down nearly 1.5%, and fears of economic turmoil have pushed oil close to the lowest in 4 years. North American crude traded below $61 U.S. But Premier Smith says she's not going to panic for Alberta's budget just yet, which is based on West Texas Intermediate sitting at $68 per barrel.
We had a lot of variation last year. We have a worst case scenario budget. We knew that we were going to end up with a lot of volatility. We'd hoped we'd be able to avoid it.
Still, the province says every $1 drop in that price during the fiscal year means a $750 million hit to government revenue. That volatility is the last thing that Harrison wants right now.
Okay, so you might think it's 5% drop, but 5% on $1 million is $50,000, which is, from a pensioner's point of view, that's a year's income or more.
One financial professor is advising people to postpone liquidating their stocks for a while and wait for the turmoil to subside.
Most likely it's going to lead to global recession and loss of confidence for consumers and companies. So investments globally going to go down. It's going to have a huge impact on Canadians.
Jackie joins us now. So Jackie, this volatility is hard to watch. So what are retirement experts saying?
Yes, Tara. So I spoke with David Popowich. He's with the Popowich-Carmelia Advisor Group today. And he says what he doesn't want people to do is freak out and sell off all their stocks. So remain calm. That is the major thing. But he also says now is the time to talk to your financial advisor. You can go over your portfolio and discuss what is best to do right now. He also says that if you don't have a financial advisor before you do anything, now is a good time to get one.
Okay, Jackie, thank you. North American markets muddled to a mixed close today. The TSX Composite was down 334 points. In New York, the Dow Jones slipped 349 points. The S&P 500 was down 1183, and the tech-heavy NASDAQ index bucked the trend, closing up at nearly 15.5 points.